জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়
You are buying a car, and I don't even know about it. In fact, you took Nayan to choose the color. And you know, the funniest part is the car showroom is at Tarun's house. So you're doing everything according to Nayan these days.
Look, Dripto, the way Nayan saved your life, she saved mine too. And I've heard that sister-in-laws are like mothers. And I did a couple of things as she said. Is that a crime, brother?
Strange. Didn't you become her puppet, Jeet? But I won't forget this easily, Jeet. Look at me.
What's wrong with Dripto? The way he is questioning me, I don't think I will be able to convince him.
Oh, Lotus, this is what I feared. He's considering Jeet a liar because of me.
What's up, Jeet? Look at me. Why did you go to Tarun's place yesterday? That too, with those rotten flowers. There's no point in looking at her, Jeet. I asked her too. She couldn't answer me. You tell me. Jeet, I'm your elder brother. I have more rights over you than she has, so please. Please, Jeet. Please tell me. At least you answer me. Tell me, come on. Tell me.
Oh no. What should I do now? Nayan told me not to tell anyone about it.
Jeet, don't keep quiet. Answer me. Answer me, I'm saying.
No. I mean...
Don't say anything to Jeet, sir. He only dropped me off. That's it. He doesn't know anything. Only I know what it is.
Fine. So you tell me. Why did you go to visit Tarun? Answer me, Nayan. Nayan, answer me. Nayan, don't stay quiet. Tell me.
What should I do? I never saw Dripto getting so angry.
Nayan, don't test my patience. Answer me. Answer me, I say.
I beg your pardon, sir. I consider Mr. Karmakar my father, and I'm not bound to tell my master about the conversation between a father and a daughter.
What did you say? I'm your master. Jeet is your brother-in-law. Wow. What a great connection of relationship you built within a family. Wow, Nayan.
What did I say wrong, sir? Don't you know what relationship we share? You give me my salary at the beginning of every month. Is it because I'm your wife? Sir, I became Jeet's sister-in-law. But could I become your wife? Tell me. No, sir. Please don't get me wrong. I don't want to be your wife. Rukmini was the wife of Lord Krishna. But I am not Rukmini. I don't want to be either. I am happy being Meera. Worshipping you from afar gives me joy, sir. Rukmini was the wife of Lord Krishna. But I am not Rukmini. I don't want to be either. I am happy being Meera. Worshipping you from afar gives me joy, sir.
Hey, what were you doing up there?
I had to finish some work, ma'am. Wouldn't we leave for the shop?
I'm waiting to go.
Hasn't Dripto come yet? Where is he? Dripto? Dripto!
What's wrong with Deepu? Jasmine, go and bring Deepu along. And Nayan, you come with me. Mom! Tapabrata! Where are you all? Come and see who has arrived. Who has come? Sanjukta? Who is it? Durba? You?
Did you become happy or sad to see your daughter, Mom?
You know, Dripto, today I felt very strange. I have always seen you shouting at Nayan, getting mad at her, showing her what her so-called place is. But today she said so many things to you. In fact, when she was saying that, I was wondering what she was saying. Have you given her the authority to say all that?
I am happy being Meera. Worshipping you from afar gives me joy, sir.
You didn't scold her today. You didn't even shout at her. Strange.
Topobrata! So, I came here at last.
But without informing anybody anything, you just...
Brother, it's Deepu's wedding. Is it possible that his parental aunt won't come? Sanjukta informed me.
She was unreachable on her phone. So I messaged her on social networking site. Isn't it great, Mom? Is it possible that the daughter of the family won't come to attend such a big event?
Why won't she come? She must. And I came. So, how are you all in this hot and humid weather?
Oh, no, Durba, it's raining now and then.
Vicky. Hey Sanjukta, isn't your brother's name Vicky? Actually, I was abroad for so many years that I have forgotten everyone's names. Well, even if it is raining, the rain here is what do you say in Bengali? I mean
Troublesome.
exactly. Absolutely right. Troublesome. There is water logging everywhere. Ew. Nobody can even imagine this in States at all. Absolutely impossible. Anyway, ask someone to keep my luggage, Sanjukta.
Oh, yes, I'll do it now. Hey, Nayan, go take the luggage in.
Careful! Hey, careful. You never carried them, did you? Oh my god, we have such skilled servants in the States that when I see all this, I just get mad. Oh, disgusting. Listen, carry this carefully, okay? This is my favorite trolley. Don't damage it. Oh, Mom? Mom? Is my room vacant?
It is locked. Last time you came here, you told us that no one should stay in your room.
Good, so you remember it. Obviously, like Topo Brato has his share in this property, I should have it too. At least, let me keep the room.
Why are you saying so? Topo never said that he wouldn't give you your share. In fact, you said that you wouldn't come back to this awful country.
Oh, Mom, those foolish, emotional, sentimental words again. Why would I stay in your country? What is there in your country? Had you ever been to our states, you would have understood that is absolutely heaven. It's heaven. Anyway, there's no point in telling you all this. Hey girl, take the luggage to the third room on the left on the first floor, okay? Got it?
What kind of bag is this? There are wheels attached to it. I can't even move it.
Trust me, Durba, I can't explain how happy I am that you have come. Tomorrow is Deepu's wedding. I would have been upset if you wouldn't be here. Hey Durba, this is Jasmine, Deepu's fiancé.
Really? Deepu's fiancé. Wow. Beautiful. Lovely. So, Jasmine, Deepu is the prince of Basu Empire. And only a princess like you suits him.
Correct. You know what? She has studied abroad. She's smart and intelligent.
No, I can't push them like this. I should lift them. Nayan.
Oh my lord! This is what I feared. My luggage almost got damaged. Oof. Sanjukta, who is this girl? Isn't there a single efficient servant in this house?
Aunt Durba, Nayan is the Rangana. Hey Durba, tell me how Jasmine and Deepu look together?
That is a difficult question.
Difficult question.
I thought I would make Jasmine stand beside Deepu to see. But what I got to see is a maid servant standing beside Deepu instead. Jokes apart. Come here, Deepu. I'm seeing you after such a long time.
How are you?
Hey, let it be. Nobody follows these rituals nowadays. You rather hug me, my child.
Are the rules and rituals all orthodox? It's about personal beliefs. It's okay if you don't follow them, but those who want to follow them, let them do so. I told you that you are a married woman. You should wear at least one symbol of marriage. But you didn't do it.
So what? Has that harmed me in any way? I saw that you carried marriage symbols throughout your life. Could you say father?
Durba, do you have any idea what you're saying?
I never say anything that I don't know, and you know that very well. Actually, Topo Broto, those are your shortcomings. You can't accept the reality. Not only this example, look at Pratima, mom. She thought she could stop her husband by using power of her marriage symbols, but could she do it? Tell me. Her husband is raising another woman's children now. So So these are all baseless, Mom. There's no point in believing in all this. Here, this maid here is wearing all the symbols of marriage. So, girl, your husband, does your spouse love you at all?